constructivism in the classrooms. I hope your classroom doesn't look like the previous clips of students falling asleep out of boredom and texting in class, not paying attention and not learning. If your classroom looks like these clips, then you need to forget about whatever it is you're doing and continue teaching with the constructivist point of view. Constructivism is a huge part of American education because it promotes knowledge and learning. Constructivism was derived from Jean Piaget. He says that we create our own knowledge from first-hand observations and experiences. The theory says that people combine what they learn into integrated bodies of knowledge and beliefs. Constructivism is a huge theory implemented in classrooms all across the United States. In the classroom, the constructivist view of learning can point towards a number of different teaching practices, encouraging students to use active techniques such as experiments and real-world problem-solving creates more knowledge. Students are then encouraged to reflect on and talk about their experiences. Constructivism in the classroom concentrates on thinking and learning. Teachers create lessons that involve students' opinions and keep them actively engaged. Problem-based learning is another form of constructivism that you can use in the classroom. Also, you can use a lot of hands-on work and something called group work. In the next part of the video, we are going to look at a small video clip of group work in the classroom. Now I'm going to go around and you're all going to count off to 4. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? And we're going to keep going until we get everybody counted down, and then that's how we're going to get in our groups, okay? So you start with 1. 1. And hold it up. Hold your number up. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3. Kaylee, 4. You're 1, Justin, and Oswald, you're 2. Okay, so can I get all the number 1s? Just come over here and stand. Okay? Oh, and when you all get your papers, will you go ahead and get your papers and bring them up here with you? Good job. Yes? Number 2s, stand right here. You guys make sure you're spread apart from the other groups so we won't have them over here. Okay, group 3. Stand right here. Okay, group 4. Stand over here. Group 4 back here. Group 1 right here. Guys, everybody pay attention. Group 3, raise your hand. Okay, group 2. Group 1, right here. Group 4. You guys are over here. Okay? Justin, your pencil. Okay, guys. I'm going to each group's going to get one object, okay? And what we're going to do is one person is going to be the dropper. You guys paying attention? Yes. One person's going to be the dropper, and then the other people are going to be the observers. And then we're going to take turns, and the next person will be able to be the dropper, okay? This clip was a perfect example of how to use constructivism in the classroom by group work. Group work keeps the students actively engaged, making the lesson hands-on and relevant to them. Other examples of methods you can use in the classroom for constructivism are station learning centers, where the students move throughout the classroom doing different hands-on activities. Other things are project-based learning and experiment-based learning. Ways to use constructivism in your classroom is to ask many questions to the students and propose problems for them to resolve. You should guide the students to perform assumptions and find answers with several different methods. You should prompt the students to think of questions, allow many interpretations and expressions of learning, encourage group work, and provide opportunities to ask peer response. Teachers create classroom activities that allow students to create an understanding of their own self. They also provide support for the students as they create knowledge and make assumptions from their experiments and beliefs. Hope you found my video on constructivism in the classrooms useful. If you can implement constructivism in your classroom, then your students will learn more efficiently and be more successful in life. Jean Piaget's ideas about creating bodies of knowledge and constructing beliefs really works in the classrooms, especially with young students. So please consider using constructivism in your classroom in the 21st century. Good luck!